Hey guys, this is Twiggy. So right now we're at the 51st Maker Marathon competition. It's a competition where people get together to find multiple creative solutions to address one single problem. Maker Marathon is a tradition that we started over 10 years ago. As you know, xTool has so many world's first products. For example, our D1 Pro, our xTool F1. And actually, a lot of creative ideas for those products comes from the past Maker Marathon competition. As you can see, the creativity is embedded in everyone's DNA in xTool. We actually require every current employee to participate in the Maker Marathon at least once. Because you never know what you're going to create. And we think it's the best way for people to gather together to enjoy the fun of creating and sharing. And this time, we have 168 people join the 51st Maker Marathon, ranging from people who are doing marketing, engineering, and even the cleaning ladies has joined this competition. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on at the 51st Maker Marathon. Let's go.
我们是希望解决用户批量加工的问题，因为往常的批量加工它需要耗费很多的人力、物力、财力，然后我们这一套设备的话，可以基本上不用到人，可以机器自己完成那种全部的加工流程。
我们的灵感来自于，其实每个人都会想要独一无二的产品，那和音乐做了一个结合，把自己独一无二的数字转化为音乐的编码，它就可以拥有属于自己的独一无二的音乐。
Alright, the 51st Makers Marathon has come to an end. If you want to see more of the behind-the-scenes contents, please let us know in the comment section. Or I just have an idea. If you guys want to be the judges for the next Makers Marathon, please let us know. Maybe we'll do a poster on all social media and you guys can be the judges to decide the winner on next time. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.